what going to happen tomorrow, I think if we can prepare ourselves patiently, learn about caring and sharing, we need to understand the skills of collaborations, better communication with each other. We have the whole ecosystem starting from the nuclear family where the parents, the siblings will play the dominant role in creating that ecosystem, and that has to be extended by our school fraternity and above all the society. I know and we know that government is playing its own role, but today it is not a blame game which we can play. We need to address this issue individually from our homes. How a small home can create that symbiotic relation between ourselves, how we can understand each other, because till yesterday, though we were living in the same family, we did not have enough time to share our thoughts, our way of life with each other. So today, this is the time to introspect within ourselves, to rethink what value system we have to strengthen, how we can connect our value systems, our ethics to our professionalism, and how our younger generation, which is leading its life, which we consider to be the tomorrow's citizens, to be given that particular platform where they can cope up with any kind of situation, any dire situation, which can come by knowing or unknowingly. So today we need to generate that kind of ecosystem by which our children can be benefited. We have to show the path to them, and we have to create that symbiotic relations with them so that they understand life is not on pen and paper, life is not getting degree, life is not having a luxurious life. It is the smallest of the things which we will be doing on day-to-day basis will lead us to a better life and a better global arena of well-being in the system. I think we require to understand the symbiotic relation of each other, learning the life skills which will give us a better understanding for tomorrow's livelihood. Thank you.